How to hide a game on Steam. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can hide a game on Steam. Some gamers just like to have a lot of different games. Some of them are there only because there is a need to collect as much as possible. However, this sometimes gets in the way. A certain number of people do not like long websites full of unnecessary things. This brings us to our topic today, which is hiding games on Steam. Stay till the end to find out how to do it. Once you've opened Steam, click on your game collection. A list of all the games you own will open. By scrolling through the list, you can see which games you don't play and simply hide them. For example, I will choose this one. All I need to do is right-click on it. A list of options will open in which I will select Manage. By simply moving over this option, this menu will open, in which we need to click on the Hide Game option. And that's all. This way we remove the unwanted game from our list. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Steam tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.